What is the amplitude of the cosine function corresponding to the secant function graphed below? Okay, well, to answer that question, first we need to figure out what the midline is. Okay, so they're counting by twos, so it looks like this is a 3, and then right here this is -3. So that's the first thing. Wait, I don't mean that. This one is 3, but this is between 0 and -2, so that makes it -1. Okay, so the midline should be halfway between +3 and -1. Well, that's going to be right here at 1. Okay, so you can probably imagine if the midline is here at 1, then that means that this invisible cosine function would have a high here and a low here. So let's see. So my invisible cosine function is going to pass through the midline like this. Now I'm going to repeat the pattern. I think I'll change colors a little. Okay, here's another cosine. It's going to hit the midline right here. So another cosine. It's going to look like this. Okay, so the only question is, what's the amplitude? So remember, the amplitude is how far it rises above and below the midline. Okay, so this goes up 2 and down 2. Alright, so that tells me that the amplitude is 2. By the way, the amplitude is always positive. Okay, amplitude is always a positive number. So I could immediately cross out the -2 and the -1. So just from that alone, we had a 50-50 chance. But clearly the amplitude is 2.